Time you've heard us over the years talk about grid computing. We introduced real application clusters at the database level. We introduced automated storage management for storage. We're now taking those same principles and applying it to the application tier. How can you get a grid of commodity servers running all your different applications in a uniform management environment, getting very high performance, high availability, high scalability through the power of the software infrastructure? Again, the same value that we provided for the database for storage, how can we do that at the application level? Now, all your application workloads, whether they are your custom applications, your packaged applications, Java, non-Java, should all run in this uniform environment. Now, the way we do this is, of course, using some of our key products that you know about. WebLogic Server, again, the industry's leading Java application server. JRocket, which is a Java virtual machine that your WebSphere can run on. Again, we've done stuff at the JVM level to take advantage of multi-core processing, to take advantage of large memories, run on hypervisors directly so that you can take advantage of virtualization. Do better memory management so that you can get better performance. Again, what we do in the JRocket layer, everybody who runs on top benefits from it directly, so you don't have to worry about it at the upper levels. Coherence is a great example, again, of that application grid paradigm. You always have data that you are accessing from a database, and you need very quick access to that data. Coherence data grid allows you to cache large volumes of data. With the latest release, we can address up to 1 terabyte of memory in the middle tier in a clustered environment, so that you can have a fault-tolerant cluster of commodity devices. All the failures are taken care of, all the scalability is taken care of, you get memory level access to your data. And then finally, Tuxedo, which is our CC++ application server, if you will. I'll talk a little bit more about that later. Enterprise Manager, as with all our other products, provides that common management framework across all of the different products. And again, when you have a grid, clearly you need better management tools, because instead of having that large SMP, you have now hundreds of different servers. You need to be able to manage them as if it was a single box. And Enterprise Manager allows you to do that. Now, I just want to spend a little bit of time on Tuxedo. I'm sure all of you are aware of WebLogic Server, industry's leading Java application server. We also have Oracle Tuxedo as part of our product family now, which is, if you will, a CC++ or COBOL application server. Predates the Java revolution, if you will. Extremely high-end OLTP applications running on Tuxedo. It is a very popular platform for rehosting mainframe applications. Obviously, there are pressures around the mainframe, whether it's the cost of the mainframe or whether it's, quite honestly, availability of talent to manage the mainframe environments. Tuxedo is a great choice to rehost your applications from a mainframe where you don't have the luxury of being able to rewrite it onto an open system platform, Unix, Linux, as you choose. We've been working very hard in improving and enhancing the capabilities to be able to do that emulation and to be able to do that rehosting even faster. We're working on tools and workbenches to take Kix applications and make sure that you can very easily transfer them over to an open systems environment. It also allows you to open up some of your legacy applications to the SOA world, or to the modern world, if you will, because we have interfaces with Tuxedo that interface with our SOA products, with other SOA products, web services, etc. Again, you can use that to start looking at connecting your legacy applications with a more, some of your more modern applications. Just want to share one customer story with you on Tuxedo. Like I said, Tuxedo has been around for many years. Many years ago, all the large OLTP applications used to be built on TP monitors, which is Tuxedo is one of the leading ones. We actually see a lot of new applications still being built on Tuxedo outside of the mainframe modernization. China UnionPay is a great example. This is all credit and debit card processing in China flows through China UnionPay. Over 50 billion transactions a year. And they were building a new system, not too far ago and didn't want to use a Java platform for whatever reason. They chose Tuxedo primarily because of the performance, reliability, and availability characteristics of it.